Let's see what we got in this construction dumpster. I see some extruded right there. Extruded aluminum. It's nice. 58 cents a pound this stuff is. Yeah, man. Construction dumpsters are a great source of metal. Aluminum, copper, brass. Well, I usually don't hit these dumpsters until everybody's done working, but it's early morning. They're just getting here. Some confusion going on, so I'm gonna go in there and snag up what I can. Might as well grab all this steel on here too. Nice, more extruded. Windows. I don't know, I might save these for a greenhouse I'm working on. Nice huge pile of steel. Stuff's lightweight, but it adds up. Whole bag full of steel here, little snippets they cut off. I'm gonna take the whole bag. What's going on, man? Good grief. Massive piece of wire here. That's aluminum. Bunch of window frames, all aluminum. Sheet. Aluminum sheet. Try to do as much cleaning on site because I don't want to take all this crap home. The screen, leave it here. Anyway, I'm heading right over to the scrapyard right after this. Dump all this load. There's quite a bit of stuff in here. And I'd be jumping in here and digging down deeper, but I don't know, with all these construction guys around, they might frown on that. Man, they got stuff everywhere. It's all over the ground. Aluminum everywhere. Stuff down in here. It's aluminum. There's some rails right there. Nice aluminum rails. I wonder what they're going to do with that. I know they're throwing that away. Let me go ask these guys what they're doing with that thing. Hey, you guys tossing that aluminum railing over there?
I don't speak English, my friend.
Oh.
My boss.
No English.
You guys tossing the railing over there? The aluminum? You tossing that aluminum rail over there?
No.
It's on the ground?
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Oh, okay.
But
The boss? Who's the boss?
no, the boss is not here. But
He's not here.
I don't know.
It's sitting on the ground over there on the other side of that pallet.
Have it here and have a more maybe on the inside.
On the insides?
Yeah. Can the boss have a semi truck, white truck? He put here
He right
every
here.
day.
So when I see him,
the glass is whole black.
okay, I'll ask him
Yeah.
next time I come.
Have a more in the back.
Okay.
Okay.
He might be scrapping them
Okay.
himself. He may scrap them himself.
Okay.
I'll ask him though when he. Thank you, man.
The boss has more in the back. I'll have to go talk to the boss. I don't want to take his rails unless I get permission. I mean, the stuff that's in the dumpster, that's fair game. Wire. Ooh, it's a good wire. Some Romex wire. Okay. Don't go. Yeah, I'll come back later, see if I can make a connection with the boss.